Chairman Pakistan People's Party (PPP) was stopped by Multan's district management on Monday to address rallies. We took permission from the relevant authorities for all our rallies. Trying to stop Chairman PPP from holding rallies in Punjab clearly shows some forces are scared of PPP's success, said Senator Mustafa Nawaz Khokar, spokesman to Chairman PPP Bilawal Zardari. Creating hurdles, whether in the way of stone pelters in Lyari, Punjab Police in UCH Sharif and district management in Multan have stopped from campaigning and taking our mission forward. We are not afraid of such troublemakers. The PPP is aimed to be dirty tricks, said Chairman Bilawal Bhutto. Senator Khokar said by trying to harass us in such haphazard manner. The PPP's opponents are clearly displaying their frustration. By doing this, they are only boosting our morale because we know how much they fear our success and strength, said Senator Khokar. Chairman PPP will reach Lahore Monday night. He will attend a party meeting the next day, which has been convened to discuss the current political situation. He will then continue with his campaign trail with public gatherings scheduled in Peshawar, Malakand and other parts of Khyber Pakhtunkhwa. Chairman PPP Bilawal Zardari visited Shujarabad town and addressed several thousand people who greeted him in this town during his nationwide election campaign on Monday. Former Prime Minister Yusuf Raza Gilani and other party leaders were also present.